So I'm Bryson Board. First and foremost, I'm ION's faculty. When I'm not faculty, I'm the founder and CEO of Scythe, a next-generation adversary emulation platform, the founder of Grim, a offensive consultancy, the co-founder of a nonprofit called the ICS Village. So I do industrial control systems, advocacy, and security. And then I'm also a senior technical advisor at the Institute for Security and Technology, best known for the Ransomware Task Force. In the past year at IONS, I've had an increasing number of Ask the Experts and demand for the symposia and forums on operational technology, visibility, and architecture. That's obvious for all of the folks where operational technology, OT, is a revenue part of the operations that the business does. The convergence of IT and OT and industrial Internet of Things into the sensors of those spaces, that makes sense. But here's the thing. First of all of us exist in an operational technology environment. The work environment you're in, well, where do you think the electricity and the water is coming from? So you're in an OT environment already. Furthermore, you have operational technology in your environment, an elevator, physical security, cameras. These are all these different components, just like when we look at IoT, that are the invisible part of whether or not that is provided to us because we're leasing in an office building, or whether that's things that we control because we own that property, or we have a warehouse that has these kinds of things to manage that. That's my prediction, is that convergence is going to increase. And even folks who didn't realize they were operating in that environment, both defensively and offensively with what the threat is going to be doing, is an increasing surface area that we need to tackle together.